Welcome everyone. Today we are making a delicious and super healthy dessert, which is a kid's favorite, Mele Cotte, that is baked apples. I found out kids absolutely love this dessert, and because there is no added sugar, parents love it too. What we'll need is a few apples, better if they are organic because we will not peel them, some ground cinnamon, and 200 milliliters of water. Okay, let's start our preparation by thoroughly washing our apples. As I mentioned, we will not peel them, so let's make sure they are clean. Now we can remove the middle of the apples. If you don't have this tool I'm using here in the video, it is totally fine to leave the apples as they are. As a matter of fact, I will not remove the middle to all my apples, so I can show you the result will be exactly the same. But what you definitely want to do is to carve the side of each apple to ensure they don't randomly break while they are cooking. Once your apples are carved, it is possible to add some ground cinnamon on top. And then we finish our preparation by adding water. Preheat your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and when ready, place your apples in the oven and bake them for at least 60 minutes. After those 60 minutes, they are ready to come out of the oven. Our apples are still too hot to be served at this point, but we can sprinkle them with some of their juice and let them cool off. Once they cool down, we can serve them, and they are absolutely delicious. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, and why not subscribe. See you next time.